biological network. The procedures that are shaped contain signaling pathways, molecular interactions, metabolic pathways, anatomical structures, physiological procedures, and cellular growth. Consequently, computational tracks vary widely with implementation. To grasp a framework, you demand to perturb it. This precept underlies most of the experiential sciences and demonstrates why our profoundness of perception of biological frameworks has been broadly specified by the accessibility of materials that can be utilized to disrupt them. Numerous cellular tasks include several interactions and nodes. Therefore, these networks are complicated and large. Several modeling techniques comprising diverse standards of detail and necessitating awareness of changing amounts of biological data have been improved to dissect these networks. Several cellular tasks comprise considerable interactions and nodes. Hence, these webs are complicated and large.